Hey guys, if you want to know how to get brands to collaborate with you and send you free products for your videos with less than 1,000 subscribers, keep watching.
So won't you say my name, if you claim you want me, it ain't no thing, you acting kinda shady, you ain't been calling me baby.
Hey guys, so we're in the middle of Vlogtober and today is day 5. So yes, we're getting on through this month, and one of the questions that I get asked a lot from small YouTubers is, how do I get brands to collaborate with me? How do I get sent free stuff like you do? Because I have a lot of collaborations that I've done so far with different brands. So I just want to hop on here and give you a few tips on what works for me, what has worked for me in landing some brand deals. So yeah, let's hop right on into it. The first tip that I do want to tell you all is to make sure that your contact info is in your description box of every video that you post. This will contain your email address, and make sure that this email account will only pertain to YouTube collaborations. You don't want to get it mixed up with your personal emails or anything else that you have going on. So make sure it's tailored directly towards your YouTube channel. So the way that brands will reach out to you is that they have different scouts that are specifically tailored to seek out different content creators who are perfect for their niche. So they will locate your contact info in your bio, and then they will send you a message and send you a pitch letting you know what products they might want you to review for them or include into your video. So if you have a video that's doing very well, it will be noticeable to the brands that you're trying to attract. For instance, I did a hair review video, and I did that all on my own. It was not sponsored by any company. And once I did that video, then other brands, hair brands, started reaching out to me. Hey, we want you to review a wig for us. We want you to try this wig on in your video. So it just came naturally, and it just has not stopped since then. So whatever kind of videos that you do very well at, brands will definitely notice that, and they will reach out to you. Now, I know when you're first starting out with YouTube, the things that you want to see are dollar signs. You just want to see dollar signs. You want to see the big money everywhere like all the other content creators are making. But in the beginning, realistically, you do have to be open to receiving free product in exchange for video reviews. So what I mean by that is companies will send you products to review, and then you will in turn give them the content that they're looking for, whether it's an Instagram post or a YouTube video or an inclusion into your YouTube videos. Now, don't be afraid to ask the company if they do have a promo budget, or if you can be involved in one of their affiliate programs, or if you can receive some commission. There's totally nothing wrong with it. The worst thing they can say is no, but at least you have asked. Now, the best thing about receiving free products in the beginning when you're first starting out your YouTube is that you can get some really good content off of it. When you're first starting out on YouTube, content is what you're trying to go for. You're trying to create videos and be very consistent with your channel. So when you get this free products, you can find all kind of ways to flip those free products into video ideas. And also, if you don't get any compensation from the brands right off bat, if they're reaching out to you, just know that in the future, you may be able to receive some compensation because you're building a rapport with these brands and these companies. So you'll be on their radar already, and they'll already know what your talent is like and what you're able to bring to the table. Now, something that helped me when I first started out with my YouTube channel, which is coming up on its 1-year anniversary. I just reached over 1,000 subscribers, so I do consider myself still a small YouTuber, but I don't really like the term small YouTuber because everybody has the same advantages on this platform. It's just how you use them. So one of the things that I did was I signed up for different collaboration websites that you're able to get money from. You're able to build relationships with brands through. One of them is called LTK, is formerly known as Reward Style or Like to Know. So if I post a fashion video, say I post a haul from like Shein, I can go into my LTK account and I can create special links through their Link Ninja, which is an application that I can build it to my Google Chrome, and I just click on Link Ninja, and it will give me a special code that I can put into my description box whenever I do post different products. So if I do a Shein haul and I have a green top, I can go ahead and get a link that's commissionable straight through the Link Ninja on LTK, put it in my box, and I can make money every time that someone purchases that item. So you don't have to be a really big YouTuber for that. I'm not sure how many followers you have to be accepted into LTK, but you can get invited from someone. So let me know if you do need an invite code for that, and I got you. So another website that was helpful for me is called Activate. So what Activate is brands will upload different campaigns onto this platform, and they'll let you know what kind of deliverables they're looking for, whether it's YouTube videos, Instagram photos, and what you will do is go through it and it will match you up and let you know which campaigns you're available for based on your criteria. So it will let you know if they're willing to pay out money for your uploads or if they're just giving you free product. Most of the time they're giving you free product, but there are some times where they are paying for it. I don't believe that you need a certain amount of followers for Activate. Don't quote me on that, but it is something to look into, and I have gotten a couple of brand deals through Activate for some Instagram posts. So yeah, just something to check out there. So something else that I want to talk about is signing up for different brand ambassador accounts. So if you go onto a website of a brand that you're looking to work with, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, they'll usually have a link for affiliates or brand ambassadors, and you can go ahead and click on there and sign up for their affiliate program. Now, you may not get paid, but you do get commissions. So if you're promoting, let's say it's a bike company, if you purchase a bike from this company on your own and you promote it, and you have a special link or a discount code and people use it, you'll get money from each and every sale, and usually there's no cap on it, so it's a free for all. There's no cap on how much money you can make through these links. So another way to get in front of brands that you're looking to work with is by doing a simple Google search. If you search for influencer marketing for a certain brand, let's take Shein. If you look up Shein influencer marketing, usually it'll come up with some different names of the people who are in the department, and you can even put LinkedIn behind it. So influencer marketing LinkedIn for Shein, and you'll get different results that'll pop up for different emails. So you can email the people directly, asking them if they have any kind of program available, affiliate, or even if they're looking for brand ambassadors, anything. They will let you know of that, and you'll be in front of the correct person instead of going through like an email, like a contact us on their website, which will almost always lead you to nowhere. Now, the last tip I have for you is simply purchasing from the brands that you're looking to work with. So you have to pay to play sometimes. When you're first getting into YouTube, you're not known like that. Brands don't know anything about you. So if you purchase from different companies, then they're more inclined to work with you once they see the results that you've already put out. For instance, before I got a sponsorship from Love Me Hair, I purchased a wig from Love Me Hair and I did my own review on it. Once I did the review, I sent the link to Love Me Hair, and they were able to view it and they liked my content. So in turn, they sent me some more free hair, and they gave me a link that I could use, discount code for my subscribers, and I was able to make money off of that because it sold a lot of units. And that is actually my highest viewed video to date. Is about 24,000 views so far. So for a small YouTuber like myself, 24,000 views is a heck of a lot. And that's because I paid for something before expecting something for free in return. So you got to use it to your advantage if you really want some good results. Also, whenever you're making a video and you're mentioning an establishment or a brand, make sure you're sending that video to the brand. Make sure you're DMing them, sending it to their email. Make sure you're tagging them on your page. So if you post it on TikTok or on your Instagram stories or Instagram feed, tag them in it. That will get you noticed as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are a small YouTuber like myself and you're looking to receive brand deals and sponsorships and collaborations from different brands and companies, these are just the tips that help me. I don't know if they will help you, but it's something to look into and something to try. It's kind of like trial and error, so you definitely have to try things out on your own and see what works for you. But as for me, this is what is working so far. I personally have not gotten any straight out like paid opportunities yet, but that will be changing. But yeah, this is something that has really helped me. So let me know down below, comment down below if you're looking to implement any of these ideas. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, so I can keep on giving y'all these good little tips I have. Okay, I'm not trying to keep this all to myself. I'm trying to share amongst everybody so we all can win. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see y'all in tomorrow's edition of Vlogtober. Bye.